VEED versus HitFilm Express usage experience. Welcome to this video comparing VEED and HitFilm Express. Links to both tools are in the description for further exploration. Let's dive into their features, who they're designed for, and how they compare in real-world usage. VEED is a browser-based video editing tool that focuses on simplicity, making it an excellent choice for beginners, marketers, and social media content creators. It's designed to provide quick and easy editing with features like trimming, text overlays, subtitles, and basic effects. Since it's cloud-based, you don't need a high-performance computer, and you can collaborate with team members in real time. VEED excels in accessibility and ease of use, allowing users to create polished videos without technical expertise. However, its feature set is relatively basic and may not cater to those seeking advanced visual effects or intricate editing options. HitFilm Express, on the other hand, is a free, desktop-based video editing and visual effects software aimed at creators with intermediate to advanced editing needs. It's packed with features like multi-track editing, color correction, 2D and 3D compositing, and a vast library of visual effects. HitFilm Express is particularly popular among YouTubers and filmmakers for its ability to create cinematic effects without needing premium software. However, it does require a capable computer to handle its processing demands, and the learning curve is steeper than VEED, especially for beginners. That said, HitFilm offers extensive tutorials to help new users navigate its tools. In summary, VEED is perfect for users who prioritize ease, speed, and cloud-based collaboration. Ideal for quick edits and social media content. HitFilm Express is a better fit for those who want to create more complex videos, particularly with visual effects, and have the time to learn a more advanced system. Each tool serves a different audience, so choose the one that aligns with your project needs and skill level. Check out the links in the description to explore both options and see which one works best for you.